Reaching this far, we have used Python directly in the terminal. However, if we want to keep our program for later use, we need to write it into a file. Python will read and execute the code inside the file that you save. We can create a Python file using Notepad, but there are text editors created specifically for writing code. These are called Integrated Development Environments, IDEs in short. One of the best IDEs is Visual Studio Code. You can download and install it from code.visualstudio.com for free. After installing it, we create a folder on our desktop where we will be saving our files. Right-click the folder and open in VS Code. You can create a new file by clicking the Add File icon and specify a name ending with the extension .py. Now, we can work with numbers in this file, which we will call from now on a Python script. We can assign different values of numbers in their types to variables and check their types as well in the script. We can also add numbers, multiply, divide, and subtract. Notice how the result between an integer and a float is a float. This is because an integer can be stored as a float, but not the other way around. So Python converts the integer to a float and then does the arithmetic operation. And the result between a float and a float is a float. We can assign a result of a mathematical operation the same way we assign variables. Now that you know how to do math in Python, what is that calculator doing on your desk? Remember, never divide by zero, or else.